Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds Philips with your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth for connected devices. At the device list, at the top click Pair New Device button, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth. But I need to click on it. Now we need to enter pairing mode. So, open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the case. If your earbuds do not connect it with another devices, they will enter to pairing mode automatically and you will see them at the device list. Also, we can enter to pairing mode manually at the back side of each earbud. At the top right here we have controls. You need to press and hold at the both of these controls and you will enter to pairing mode for at least like 5 seconds. You need to hold it. Then you will see them also at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds and click pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!